Hi, this is Cherie with Rehash Fiber. I want to introduce you to the perfect tool for cleaning all that fiber out of your drum carder. This is called the Olivia Garden Brush Cleaner, and I would not be able to function without it. Throughout the week, I am drum carding all kinds of fiber in all different colors, and I cannot mix those. So after I do the best I can with the tools that came with the drum carder, cleaning it out, then I go through it with the Olivia Garden Brush Cleaner. This is amazing. This does not hurt the teeth of the drum at all. It's very soft and flexible, yet it gets all the fiber out. You can find it on Amazon. So of course, the first part to clean is the liquor. So if you move the main drum and the liquor is not clean, it's just gonna put the fiber right back onto the drum. So you wanna start by getting your liquor clean, then you move on to this. Also, I use my hand carders throughout the week all the time, going from cotton to Surrey alpaca, and this works perfect for them too. Gets all the fiber out. So let me show you here just a little bit closer. The liquor's clean. Now I'm gonna work on the main drum. I'm gonna start in the direction of the teeth to start with to see how much fiber I can get out. And see, you see right there how it collects so much. Look at what a great job it does. See, it's perfect. So that's how I would handle that. And I was just cleaning off copper colored Surrey alpaca. If next I were going to be drum carding something that was white or silver, where I absolutely would not want any of that Surrey copper mixed with, then I would go the extra step to fine tooth, look and go through and pick each little fiber. But right now, just going in this direction, you saw how much it picked up. And I may very well be drum carding something brown or the same Surrey alpaca again on this next. So I don't need it completely clear of every little hair unless I know I'm going to change colors. So there you have it. Just by doing that, it looks really clean and great. So you see how wonderful that brush works for cleaning out your drum carder. I don't know what I'd do without it. All right, on a fun note, see my shirts? I'm wearing this because this is my preparation for getting ready to go to Palmer, Alaska to see the muskox. The muskox fiber is called Kiviute. It's that very warm fiber that's just soft, warm, and wonderful. So I've had so much fun following the muskox farm. They do a great job on Instagram showing all the muskox, teaching you about them, and I'm just intrigued. So in May, I'm going to be heading up to Alaska and visiting the farm. So got my t-shirt to celebrate that. And you could have one too. On my website, rehashfiber.com, under merchandise, if you want to get a Got Kiviute shirt, you can get one there. All right, everybody. Well, happy cleaning your drum carder, and thanks for watching.